Okay, yeah. Well, actually, one thing is for Scar Tree, and one thing's for Bear and Tan. I mean, more than one thing's for Bear and Tan.
Kind of like it.
It's actually really good.
One pair of the shoes is for
Your phone?
well, one pair of the shoes is for Bear and Tan, and then the other one's for Scar Tree.
I don't mind. You only eat half the bread.
Yeah. Hey, what? This much bread.
But I'm gonna have to message the other one that messaged after that I don't have anything.
Okay.
So yeah. But yeah, I mean, yeah.
Are you afraid of getting heavy?
No.
Is it an important sport? Part of it.
Huh? What?
Is it the important sport too? The proteins.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Holy. Okay. So like.
Okay, try this. Stop staring at me.
Huh?
What about Bear and Tan?
Oh yeah. I was going to message the one that who messaged after that I don't have anything, because the rest of the stuff would be for Bear and Tan, and one pair of shoes is for the Scar Tree one.
Oh.
Is that what you put her name in?
Why is her name Scar? Why is her name Scar Tree?
I don't know. She put that as her name. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why she put that. But, well, one
now I
pair
know
of
it.
shoes.
I know.
What?
Now I know who that was.
Who is she?
Yeah, man. Probably Melbourne, Florida, which matches this location.
What?
But we're not in Bombay.
No.
Where are we? Nope.
100th Street.
Around there. It matches the location around there.
Right.
This is a British company.
Oh.
Yeah, she was the one.
This one right here? The one right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got a job.
She's got a job and she's doing well. Good for her, you know?
Okay, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to message that, like. Okay, so everything's for Bear and Tan except for one thing.
What?
But Bear and Tan's already getting that because there's two of them, so it's fine. She's already getting the shoes, the sparkly ones, but I have two, so it'll be one for the other person. But, yeah. And yeah.
What did you get, the medium? Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
You don't eat? I'm not rushing you.
No, let's go.
We can go if you want.